are your lessons from 2025? I thought very deeply this morning about what did 2025 mean for me. Number one, it's all about compassion. Compassion for yourself. How gentle are you with yourself? But then compassion for other people. Do you even have any idea what they're going through? Number two, speak up. I was on the plane last night flying back from Joburg, and there was a guy sitting next to me with his elbows widely spread. And every time he moved, I got it in the ribs. Normally, I would have sat fuming about this invasion of my personal space. But I didn't. I tapped him on the shoulder and said, please stay in your chair. And my last one, my third one, and probably the biggest one for me is, am I living a big life? And what do I need to do to live a big life? And those three are my takeaways for 2025.